Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is a tutorial showing you how to turn text into type within Photoshop. So start off by opening a new document or pressing Command N on the keyboard, and then going to Image, Transform, and rotate it 9 degrees. Decided, and then selecting the image and putting it in. So this wasn't the best way of doing it. So I press Command O to bring up options, and then imported the images. I've decided to use filters, so I'm trying to make a type based on the idea between health and smoking. So what I've done, I pressed W to make the Magic Wand tool, and with W I've decided to try and select around the area, but I couldn't. So I've then gone and used the lasso tool by pressing L to bring up the shape of it, and then Command C, Command V to paste into place. Duplicate this and place it and paste it several times. Copy the layer and then merge the layer down. And T to bring up the text tool, type out the text. Rasterize the text. When you rasterize the text, you can't edit it anymore. And then delete the text from the background area. And there were some minor adjustments, so I just edited it from there. And gone back and deleted the G and the S by selecting different layers and altering it. And Command plus or Command minus to zoom in and out. Alternatively, you can do this by pinching the keyboard. And on to editing the text into a different way. So now that I've made the background print, I've then selected the type once more. And to the background, selected the Command C, Command V to paste it, and paste it into place into a new document. And that gives you the effects of text within the type, or type within the text. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe for further videos.